Creating a home that's beautiful, comfortable, and functional is important for every homeowner, but ensuring it's accessible makes it truly inclusive. For residents in Middleton, where many families are updating their homes for aging loved ones or individuals with mobility challenges, professional door installation can make a significant difference in daily convenience and safety. From wider entryways to smooth thresholds and smart hardware, modern door solutions are designed to make moving through your home easier for everyone. Here's how upgrading your doors can enhance accessibility, comfort, and peace of mind in your Middleton home. Wider doorways for easy movement. One of the most effective ways to improve accessibility is to widen doorways. Standard interior doors are often 28 to 30 inches wide, which can make it difficult for wheelchairs, walkers, or even strollers to pass through comfortably. Professional door installation allows homeowners to expand openings to 32 to 36 inches, meeting ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act, accessibility guidelines. This simple modification ensures smooth transitions between rooms and eliminates the frustration of narrow passageways. Whether you're planning an aging-in-place renovation or creating a more inclusive home design, wider doors immediately make your space more functional and welcoming. Low profile and no-step thresholds. Door thresholds, the small ridges or steps at the base of doorways, are often overlooked, but they can be major obstacles for individuals using mobility aids or anyone with limited balance. Installing low-profile or no-step thresholds eliminates these tripping hazards, allowing for safe, effortless movement between indoor and outdoor areas. This feature is especially beneficial at entry doors, patios, and garage access points. Professional installers in Middleton can help homeowners select ADA-compliant thresholds that provide a seamless surface without compromising energy efficiency or weather resistance. Lever handles for better grip and ease of use. Traditional round doorknobs can be difficult for people with arthritis, limited hand strength, or dexterity challenges. Replacing them with lever-style handles instantly improves accessibility for everyone, from children to seniors. Lever handles are easier to grasp and operate, requiring minimal twisting or effort. Many homeowners also opt for touchless or electronic door handles, which add convenience and safety by allowing entry through keypads, fobs, or smartphone apps. During a door installation project, upgrading hardware is an easy and affordable way to make your Middleton home more user-friendly. Smooth operating hinges and automatic closers. Accessibility isn't just about entry width, it's also about how easily doors open and close. Installing offset or swing-clear hinges can increase the usable opening by an extra 1 to 2 inches, making movement through the doorway easier. For added convenience, homeowners can incorporate soft close or automatic door systems that reduce effort and prevent slamming. These systems are ideal for households with children, seniors, or anyone who appreciates a smoother, quieter experience. In Middleton's family-oriented communities, where multi-generational living is becoming more common, these upgrades help create a safer and more accommodating home environment. Sliding and pocket doors for space efficiency. In homes with tighter layouts, traditional swinging doors can limit maneuverability. Sliding and pocket doors offer an excellent alternative for improved accessibility without sacrificing space. Sliding patio doors, for example, make outdoor access effortless, perfect for enjoying Middleton's pleasant seasons. Interior pocket doors can provide privacy in bedrooms or bathrooms while allowing maximum clearance when open. When properly installed with smooth glide tracks and sturdy frames, these doors enhance both functionality and style in any home design. Lighting and visibility upgrades. Accessibility also means visibility. During your door installation project, consider adding side windows, side lights, transoms, or built-in glass panels to allow more natural light into entryways. This improves visibility for those with visual impairments and makes entrances more inviting. Pairing these features with motion-activated lighting around exterior doors enhances safety and convenience, especially at night. Professional installation for lasting results. To achieve true accessibility, precision matters. Professional door installation in Middleton ensures that all measurements, alignments, and hardware placements meet accessibility standards. Experts can also integrate energy-efficient seals, security upgrades, and design features that match your home's aesthetic while enhancing comfort and usability. Final thoughts: a thoughtfully planned door installation can do more than refresh your home's appearance. It can transform how you move, live, and interact within your space. By incorporating wider openings, easy-to-use handles, low thresholds, and modern designs, you can make your Middleton residence more inclusive for every member of your household. With the right materials, hardware, and professional expertise, upgrading your doors becomes an investment in safety, comfort, and lasting value, ensuring your home remains welcoming and accessible for years to come.